big package. I don't know who did I get it from, so let me ask my Baba to give it to me. Hey, Bob, can you give it to me? What? From Amazon? Look, guys. Now let me open it up. Okay, guys, so I finally got it now. I've been waiting for this so many months, and finally I got it. I will share it with you guys, and let's open it together now. Let me tell my Bob can you open this thing? Opening it. Okay, guys. Oh, this is so cool, guys. Here we got Rocky, and here goes me, Rocky. And here we got Foxy. What's up, Foxy? This can also come out. You can also put it back together. But why can I also take Foxy's box out? Okay, so oh wait, guys, let me just put this on Foxy. So he's gonna do it. Here goes me, Rocky. If you want to watch Lankybox, you can search him. This is so cool, Rocky. Okay, guys, so now let's take out Foxy. Oh, Foxy is in it. Another package. What? Hey guys, it's me, Foxy. Does this also come out? Does this come out? Does this come out? Look, it says box. Look this out. Okay, my Baba fixed it. Look how cute. And then we take out Boxy. Okay, come on, Boxy. He looks like a ghost, right, guys? He looks like a box. See that? And look, this is he looks like a ghost, right, guys? Okay, now let's put him back together. Okay, guys, this is a little hard to put him back. The hands also come out. The hands also come out. Boxy, come on. Look, guys, you got all three. Yay! These are so cute. Here goes Rocky. Hey, Rocky. Let me touch you in my butt. In my toothbrush. And here, guys, what's up? They are making Boxy very good and Father okay. Now I am putting them back together. Hey guys, what's up? Boxy is going to show you guys his dance move. That's Boxy's dance move. Boxy gonna say is I want to say something to Lankybox. If you're watching this, I'm a big fan of you. And I got the fluffies, man. I got your fluffy Justin, I got your fluffy Adam, and we got these toys. So I hope you like this video. And if you want to see more toy videos, comment. Just say subscribe button right over here. And this is so cool. Justin and Anna, I love you. And I got your toys and I watch your videos every day. And I hope you like this video. Go forward. I like seriously. Guys, I hope you like this video.